Magandang buhay! Andito na naman ang inyong Tita Techie to provide you the latest protection product of AIA Philippines, the AIA Max Protect. Alright, this AIA Max Protect is a protection plan that you can maximize for life. Para po siyang mag-order ka ng milk tea, which is very popular today, especially for the Gen Z. Nadadagdagan mo ng add-ons. So, andyan pwede mong dagdagan ng sago, pwedeng nata de coco, pwedeng cream cheese, and others na available na toppings. So, ito, mamamaximize mo po yung protection mo ng for life. So, depende po sa budget mo, kung anong gusto mong i-add na riders. And syempre, depende din sa needs mo. So, kasama po yung needs mo at saka yung budget. Alright? This AIA Max Protect have to live worry-free with 200% life coverage and choose from additional comprehensive benefits that you can tailor fit to your needs. Alright? Meron din siyang 200% life coverage, bonus potential dividends, and additional benefits, which we're going to tackle one by one later. Right? Now, ano-ano ba yung mga product benefits? Number one, we have life coverage, we have maturity benefits, and we have bonus potential dividends. Okay, for the life benefit coverage, rest assured that even when the undesirable happens to you, your loved ones will be taken care of. This benefit ensures that your beneficiary will receive 200% of your policy's face amount minus any outstanding loans and interest, if any. We have also the maturity benefits. So it provides more for your family with this benefit, which give also 200% of your plan face amount upon the plan's maturity or when you reach 100. And it has also bonus potential dividends. So you will get additional potential funds through dividends that you can receive annually when available to your policy. Maybe when you are asking how to compute the 200% of the policy. This only means that if you get the minimum base amount of 500,000, the life coverage will become 1 million or madodouble siya. Yun po yung pinakamadaling explanation. Like with the maturity benefit, kung ang kinuha mo po ay 500,000 na base amount, ang maturity benefit niya po 100% is equivalent to 1 million. That is the simplest way of explaining that. Right? Now, ang amin pong Max Protect ay may mga recommended packages. May mga recommended packages na pwede nyo pong maging guide sa pagkuha ng plan na ito. Pwedeng i-compute yung inyong needs and inyong budget. So we have AIA Max Protect for protection, we have for health, and we have for wealth transfer. Now let me go deeper for doon sa AIA Max Protect for protection. As said, ito pong ating Max Protect. Naka-package na po siya as meron po siyang 200% life insurance benefit or life coverage. Meron po siyang 200% maturity benefit and bonus potential dividends when available for your policy. But we have also recommending additional benefit para po ma-maximize yung protection nyo. Right? If kaya naman ng budget, the following are the recommended additional benefits. Total and permanent disability. You have the personal accident. And you have the enhanced waiver of premium. Alright? So, meron din po naman na optional benefits. Ito pong optional benefits, nasa inyo na po yun. You have the option to add it on your policy or hindi na lang po because of the budget. So, you have 10 critical illness, hospital income benefit, payers benefit on death and disability, payers term benefit, and medical benefit. So that's all for AIA Max Protect for protection. Now we have the AIA Max Protect for health. Like mentioned before, ito po yung tailored fit medical coverage kasi, no? So it is tailored fit for individuals seeking ways to safeguard their finances against the unexpected health concern and medical expenses. So, ang concern ng tao na ito na kukuha ng package for health, yun pong kanyang mga health concerns at saka yung mga medical expenses. 'Di ba? Mahirap talagang magkasakit ngayon at saan sabi nga nila, mahal ang magkasakit. Okay? So, like the protection, the health is also comes with 100% life coverage. Meron din siyang maturity benefit na 200%. Meron din siyang bonus potential dividends when available to the policy. So, meron din po siyang recommended additional benefits. As we said, gusto nating ma-maximize lahat ng ating protection, even yung health natin, even yung protection, or even your wealth. So, we recommend to add the rider of 10 critical illness, medical benefit, and hospital income benefit. You have also the optional, which is enhanced waiver of premium, payers benefit for death and disability, and payers term benefit. Alright? So, the third package is a Max Protect for wealth transfer. So, ito pong wealth transfer, this is for more mature individuals who need to be sure that in case of undesirable, their wealth will be transferred to their family through life coverage. So, like the protection and the health, it comes up with 200% life coverage, 200% maturity benefit, bonus potential dividends when available to your policy. We have the optional benefits. So, the total and permanent disability, personal accident, 10 critical illnesses, hospital income benefit, and enhanced waiver of premium. Alright? Maybe at this time you're asking, wow, ang daming packages. And for sure, you want to know what are the payment terms, okay? And what are the issue age. So we have 3 payment term, the 5 years, 10 years, and pay up to age 65. Ano naman po yung mga issue age? Okay? For the 5 years to pay, ang issue age po is 0 to 65. And for the 10-year premium term, ang issue age po is 0 to 60. And for payment term of up to age 65, ang issue age po natin ay 0, 50. Could you imagine, pwede mo nang i-insure sa 0 age? Ikaw yung payer, kung ikaw yung mommy or daddy, or ikaw yung lola at pwede mong i-insure yung mga apo. Ikaw yung payer and the insured is 0. Something like that. Alright? So, yan po yung recommended package natin for protection, for health, and for wealth transfer. Alright? Next, explain po naman natin itong mga additional benefits. So, para ma-maximize nyo yung protection by adding additional rider, syempre dapat alam nyo kung ano yung rider, yung definition, para malaman nyo kung kailangan ko ba to or naaayon ba to sa aking budget. So, total and permanent disability. Ito po yung total and permanent disability. ito po yung nag-help support to you financially through the lump sum amount. Bibigyan ka po ng lump sum amount na marireceive mo in case na-declare ka or na-disable ka totally and permanently. May additional benefits ko. Ano naman po yung personal accident? So, ito po yung ipoprovide yung lump sum in case of an accident. You can get additional 100% of the amount in case the accident occurred while riding a public transport or was caused by acts of nature such as a storm, earthquake, and related unforeseen. So this is additional po. Additional po siya. 10 critical illness, 10 CI for short. You can shield your family from the burdens of medical expenses in case you get diagnosed with any of the listed critical illnesses. Later po, ipapakita po natin yung mga covered critical illnesses under the list. Take note, ito po ay mangyayari dapat yung critical illness mo diagnosis before age 75. May age requirement po tayo dito. And next is the hospital income benefit. Rest and recover better. Knowing this benefit will give you daily compensation for up to 365 days of confinement if ever you're hospitalized due to illness or injury. So, hospital income benefit. Ikaw, naka-confine, ang maximum po is 365 days. Bibigyan ka po ng amount equivalent para po doon sa mga hindi mong napagtrabahuhan. So, ito po yung para makarecover ka. Maximum 365 days. Wala naman sigurong nako-confine ng 365 days. Right? Medical benefit rider. So, ito po yung extra financial support. Extra financial support to pay for medical expenses in case of hospitalization. You also get access to our widest range of accredited hospital and doctors. So, may medical benefit ka po, may mga range po kung anong gusto mong coverage for your hospitalization. And then the enhanced waiver of premium. You need not to worry about making future payment for your policy if you suffer from disability or a covered critical illness. Ibinibigay po ito or naa-avail mo po ito pag ikaw ay naging critically ill, totally and permanently disabled, or na-diagnose ka ng critical illness. Yung pong remaining na premium mo, hindi na po babayaran. Si company na po yung magbabayad. Alright? Payer's term benefit. Ito pong rider na to nagpo-provide ng additional life coverage doon sa mga payer. At ini-insure din natin po yung payer. This is perfect for you if you're buying the product to insure a loved ones. Ikaw po yung payer dito. Say for example, mother, bibili po siya para sa kanyang daughter. Or father, bibili po para sa kanyang anak. Or lola, bibili po para sa kanyang grandson or grandmother. Ito po yung tinatawag na payer's term benefit. Naka-insure din po yung payer. Payer's benefit on death and disability. Ito naman po, nagwe-waive siya ng future premium payment except po doon sa medical benefit premium in case nagkaroon po ng untimely death or total and permanent disability. This product is perfect for you if you're buying this product to insure a loved one. So, as said dito, ito pong payer's term benefit at saka payer's benefit on death and disability. Kung ikaw po yung payer, say parents, bibili ng bibili ng plan para sa kanyang children, lola, bibili para sa kanyang grandsons. Something like that. So, insurance rider, explain ko lang po, insurance rider are additional benefit that you can purchase on top of your life insurance policy. So, these add-ons allow you to customize your policy by incorporating other kind of protection that are not part of the basic plan. Adding riders to your policy gives you a more comprehensive package to help take care of your need for extra security for a minimal cost. Don't worry, kahit na po mag-add kayo ng mga riders on top of the basic policy or the basic plan, minimal lang naman yung premium ni AIA Philippines. Right? So, magbigay po tayo ng sample scenario. Right? So, umpisahan po natin kay Olivia. Kwento ko lang po sa inyo, sino si Olivia. 25 years old po siya. Loves niya yung career niya at nag-e-enjoy siya ng traveling. Mahilig mag-travel si Olivia to live a life worry-free as he continue to enjoy an exciting lifestyle. Ang kinuha niya po ay protection package. Since limited siguro yung budget niya, ang kinuha niya ho ay payment up to age 65 and face amount of 500. 500,000 po yung minimum natin. Alright? So, ito pong Max Protect, syempre, yung basic plan po, meron pong 200% life coverage, 200% maturity benefit, and bonus potential dividends. Okay, since si Olivia mahilig mag-travel, medyo natatakot siya, baka may mangyari sa kanya, nag-add po siya ng total and permanent disability, personal accident, at saka enhanced waiver of premium. Okay? So, yun pong kanyang expected amount of claim niya kasi 200% po yung coverage to 500,000 is 1 million. Yung total and permanent disability, that is according to the face amount, 500. Yung personal accident, 500. Yung enhanced waiver of premium, di na nyo po kailangang mag-pay in the future premium. Tapos, ito pong 200% maturity value, applicable lang po once yung insured natin maka-reach ng 100. Tapos, ito pong bonus potential, only applicable when available to the policy. Alright? So, let's go deeper. Ang yearly premium po na kinuha niya is 12,679 per year. If you're going to compute that for the monthly premium payment, 1,195 per month po. So, protected siya ng 500,000 on different plus the different rider. Pero, and yet, ang babayaran niya lang per month is 1,195 per month. Alright. So, ito po yung scenario. Bumili siya at the age of 85. Babayaran niya yan until age 65. So, dito dapat magbabayad siya hanggang age 65. And then, on the age of 45, continuously paying pa, di ba? At the age of 45, sumakay siguro si Olivia ng tawag dito, sharing a ride or yung tinatawag natin na ano ba yun, tok-tok, something like that. So, na-aksidente siya while riding that. Ang naibigay ng company, ang nakuha niya is 500,000. Okay? So, na-aksidente siya. Ngayon, meron siyang enhanced waiver of premium. Since na-aksidente siya, kasi naglagay siya ng rider na personal accident, naglagay siya ng rider. So, dito po papasok yung waiver of premium. So, dapat magbabayad pa siya from age 45 to age 65. Because of the enhanced waiver of premium, hindi na siya magbabayad anymore. And the policy is still in force. Pero, nakakuha na siya ng 500,000. Take note, buhay pa siya, na-aksidente lang siya, hindi siya namatay, and yet, yung kanyang policy will remain in force and the company will be the one to pay it. Okay? Now, since na-aksidente siya dito, tumagal-tagal pa, naging permanently disabled siya at the age of 75. So, since naging totally and permanently disabled siya at the age 75, meron siyang rider na total and permanent disability, the company will give Olivia another 500,000. So, 1 million na yon. Alright? So, 1 million na. And then, at the age of 80, unluckily, si Olivia, namatay na siya. Right? So, kanino na mapupunta yung 1 million? Kasi, di ba, merong life insurance. For sure, sa beneficiary niya. Since 500 lang yung face amount and sabi natin double, 200% of life insurance. So, yung kanyang beneficiary will receive 1 million or a total of 2 million na benefit na na-receive from the policy ni Olivia. Plus, meron pa po siyang potential bonus dividends if meron po dividend na maide-declare ang company. So, yan po yung core protection. Right? Now, let's proceed with the scenario na ang kinuha naman niya ay health package. So, very much concerned siya sa health package. So, ang atin pong bida, si Luis. Okay, sino ba si Luis? Si Luis po ay 40 years old, loving husband and dad to Lucia. Sana all, no? Lahat ng husband, loving. And recently promoted manager. He wants to use his higher income to protect the well-being of his family. Napaka-responsible naman ni Luis. He bought AIA Max Protect for Health package. Luis wants to be financially prepared in case he gets critically ill or encounters medical and hospitalization expenses. So, si Luis, since bagong promote lang, ang gusto niya, 500,000 face amount, but it is only payable for a 10-year period. Gusto niya hanggang 10 years lang siya. Alright? So, meron na siyang 200% na life, maturity benefit, at saka bonus potential. So, ang inad niya is 10 critical illness, medical benefit, and hospital income benefit kasi nga, ang ano niya is health package. Alright? So, at the age of 40, ang total premium pala niya ay 81,211. 81,211. Kasi 40 years old na siya, tapos 10 years to pay. At if you're going to complete the monthly premium base, it is 7,715 per month. Okay. So, at the age of 40, nag-start na siya paying for his policy. So, continue paying until age 50 kasi 10 years lang. And then, at age 55, na-hospitalize siya for 365 days. Ngayon, he uses the medical benefit of 500,000. Kasi may medical benefit. So, ang kinuha niya, ginamit niya yung 500,000 for the hospitalization expenses. And then, naka-receive pa siya ng 1,000 per day, or to cut it short, ang na-receive niya for daily hospital confinement is 365,000. Kasi 1,000 times 365. And still, the policy remain in force. So, ang nagamit niya lang yung medical benefit at saka hospital income benefit. Right? So, life continues with Luis. At the age of 70, na-diagnose naman si Luis ng cancer at the age of 70. So, this time, meron siyang kinabit na 10 critical illness. So, nakakuha ulit siya ng 500,000 for the critical illness benefit. So, ang total na niya is 1,365,000 na yung nakukuha niya, di ba? And then, at the age of 82, unluckily, Luis dies. So, yung beneficiary makakakuha pa ng 1 million. So, ang total benefit for this policy, total to 2,365,000 plus bonus potential dividends. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Right. Now, let's go the third scenario. Si George. Si Manong George ay 55 years old. Devoted family man, tapos thriving construction business, and to secure his wealth for the future of his children, ang binili niya naman is AIA Max Protect for wealth transfer with additional benefit for extra coverage. Why? Because he wants his beneficiary to have enough financial assistance in case of his unexpected passing. This money can be used to sustain their business and ensure that their properties will remain with their family. So talagang gusto niya ng merong peace of mind yung family niya, nasa-secure niya kaagad yung family niya. So like others, ang kinuha niya po is 500,000 pay amount, but this time gusto niya 5 years to pay lang. Alright. So same, ang kinuha niya po, meron siyang critical illness na rider, enhanced waiver of premium. Yun lang yung inattach niya. Alright? At the age of 55, George buys the AIA Max Protect and start paying for the policy. So 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, dapat at the age of 60 pa siya magbabayad, diba? Kasi 5 years to pay. But unluckily, at age 58, na-diagnose siya ng cancer. Since meron siyang critical illness, mabibigyan siya ng company na 500,000. Right? Now, since meron din po siyang enhanced waiver of premium at na-diagnose siya ng cancer, yung remaining premium pay meant to be made will no longer be sisingilin sa kanya ng company. So, he has no longer has to pay for the premium because of the waiver of premium rider. So, automatically, bayad na po yung plan niya. And at the same time, the policy is still in force. Right? Ngayon, tumagal po si Uncle George ng age 100. Since meron po yung package na 200% maturity benefit, mapupunta po yung 1 million sa kanya. So, buhay pa siya, meron na po siyang 1 million kasi 200% ng maturity benefit. Alright? Ngayon, buhay pa rin siya pero hindi niya sinusurrender yung policy, di ba? Kasi buhay pa siya, hindi pa naman nata-terminate. So, may natitira pa yung kanyang life insurance. At the age of 101, namatay po si Manong George or si Uncle George. So, since yung life insurance niya po is 500,000, ang makukuha po ng family is 1 million kasi double, di ba po? So, ang total makuha niya sa policy na to is 2 million 5 plus potential bonus dividends. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda, di ba po? Alright, so excited na ba kayo na kumuha ng ganitong plan? O, explain naman po natin itong bonus potential dividends. Gate paid in cash. So, nothing is reassuring as getting your payment in cash, which you or your loved ones can immediately use for whatever needs. So, pwede mong kunin daw in cash kung merong dividends na nag-accumulate, or pwede din to yung accumulated interest, meaning you may earn interest by choosing to leave the declared dividends to the company, and option na mag-grow po at the prevailing rate yung inyong dividends. So, nag-accumulate po siya ng dividend, interest rather. So, remember, a short reminder, dividends may not be used as a net single premium payment to buy additional non-participating insurance product like pick-up additions. Dividends may not be used to pay the premium that due on the succeeding mode or premium due date, such as decreased premium payment, and dividends are not guaranteed. So, hindi po guaranteed yung dividend, ha? Emphasize lang natin, ang dividend is not guaranteed. Alright? So, ano-ano ba daw yung mga 10 critical illnesses na covered under AIA Max Protect? Cancer, coma, end-stage lung cancer, heart attack, HIV due to blood transfusion and occupationally acquired HIV, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and vital organ transplant. Alright? So, yan po yung 10 critical illness. Okay? So, with this, I would like you to like and subscribe to my channel. If this video gives you information, you may like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. If you are interested with this plan, kindly get in touch with me or any life planner of AIA Philippines, and we will be glad to assist you. Okay? Again, magandang buhay and ingat po tayong lahat, and God bless.